Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, ayong Gesto. And for today's episode 41, mga must-try drinks and bestsellers by Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. Have you heard the latest buzz in town? Well, it's gotta be Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. Taste a sting of delight with the newest Milktea shop in town. Open for delivery within Iloilo City area, starting from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. And they have branches in Kalibo, Boracay, and in Pavia. For their fullest of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. And by the way mga nose, ito na po yung shoutout portion na ating vlog. Po yung tatlong tao nag-support sa aking drinking nose at nagtulong na din sa pag-grow na aking YouTube channel. Yung first natin i-shoutout is si RR. So thank you so much RR for liking my Facebook page and also for promoting my Drinking Nose YouTube channel. Also, nanonood niya ng mga episodes ko at hindi niya na-skip ng mga ads ko. Thank you so much RR. It's a big help talaga sa aking YouTube channel. Yung next i-shoutout ko, isa din po sa nag-support sa aking YouTube channel, sa may inquiries ko, sa mga tanong when it comes sa vlogging tips, sa mga monetization, yung overall content ko. JM Bermas, thank you so much Madam JM Bermas. Kapag gusto niyo po panoorin yung episodes niya, I'll provide po yung description box and also yung picture sa kanyang YouTube channel. Last but not the least, i-shoutout natin si Lar Madriaga, isa din pong YouTuber dito sa Iloilo. Thank you for this opportunity sa pag-feature, especially for Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. So I hope nandyan pa rin kayo until the end. So thank you so much and God bless. Hi dear mga nose! So these are all bestsellers by Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. Dinivide ko na siya per category and according to their sizes. And before tayo mag-start, please do like this video, share it to one of your friends, comment down below kung ano po yung flavors na gusto nyo i-try for Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. Last but not least, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, and click the notification bell icon para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko. This will be my very first taste test sa mga products nila, especially for their best sellers. Itong dalawa is their 1 liter, at yung apat na drinks is their large size. As for dito, is their medium size. Without further ado, let's start for our taste test review. For our first drink, under Yakult series, is their Blueberry Yakult for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito perfect na sa akin kasi wala ko nasahan artificial flavors or sweeteners for this drink. Very refreshing and healthy. Yung Yakult flavor and for its blueberry essence, on point siya at well balanced for this drink. For our next drink under Yakult series is their Green Apple Yakult for medium size, 80 pesos. So far sa Yakult series nila, nagustuhan ko siya kasi consistent sila na walang sweeteners or sweet ingredients na included dito. Maka-feel mo talaga yung pure Yakult essence, natural flavors for this drink. For our next drink under Premium Milktea, this is their Okinawa Milktea for medium size, 75 pesos. Ito yung pearls, very soft siya. It's not very sweet, especially for Okinawa flavor. Ma-appreciate ko lalo yung tea essence for Okinawa. On the tea essence itself, less on the sweeter side of it. Next drink under Premium Milktea, this is their Wintermelon Milktea for medium size, 75 pesos. Tea nila yung right proportion for each of their flavors. Tapos yung nag-exude talaga yung flavors na hinahanap ko. Ito for Wintermelon, same with Okinawa. Ito, ma-appreciate ko lalo yung tea essence for Wintermelon. Hindi siya super sweet. Excellent for my taste. For our next drink, under Premium Milktea, this is their Dark Chocolate Milktea for large size, 85 pesos. Hindi siya too much for dark chocolate. Hindi din too much for ice or yung milk base niya. Ito, tamang balance and well-proportioned. Just an outstanding taste. It's a very delicious drink. Next drink under Premium Milktea, their Cookies and Cream Milktea for large size, 85 pesos. Ito, very smooth yung texture niya. For Cookies and Cream granules, Tapos ito, 60 ka na sa creaminess, its ingredients. Next drink, under brown sugar series, brown sugar boba milk for large size, 95 pesos. Ito ang sarap ng milk base niya. Well complement siya for its brown sugar essence. Hindi siya super sweet, which is good. Tapos hindi ko na feel yung sumasakit yung lalamunan ko for its sweetness, especially for brown sugar. Tama yung volume for its sugar level. For our next drink, under rock salt and cheese category, this is Taro rock salt and cheese milk tea for large size, 95 pesos. Ito first time ko matry yung Taro rock salt and cheese. Sarap palang combination nito. Mas lalo siya naging creamy. At the same time, naging lapuyot feel siya or yung thickness for this drink. Yung rock salt and cheese niya, tama yung density, and for its smoothness, yung Taro sweetness, nasa tama yung essence, and for its sugar level. The next drink under Cheesecake series, Red Velvet Cheesecake for 1 liter for 155 pesos. Ito for this drink, yung unang makikin sa akin is yung Red Velvet Essence, which has an excellent thickness for its product, an excellent texture, and also best partner with for its cheesecake. Drink under cheesecake category is their Matcha Cheesecake for 1 liter for 155 pesos. Yan yung matcha essence na hinanap ko. Nandun yung downfill for its matcha flavor. Tapos when it comes to sweetness and for its cheesecake, nag-well-balanced siya. If you're rating mga nose, blueberry Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. Green apple Yakult, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Okinawa milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Wintermelon milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For dark chocolate milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For cookies and cream milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Brown sugar boba milk, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Taro rock salt and cheese, I'll give this a perfect 10. Red velvet cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. But not the least, for matcha cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. So yung drinks na pwede kong suggest for healthy option, very refreshing drink, I would suggest si Blueberry Yakult, and for Green Apple Yakult. For on-the-go products, I would suggest si Okinawa milk tea, si Wintermelon milk tea, and also for brown sugar boba milk. And sa mga drinks na pwede kong suggest for kids or chocolate lovers, I would suggest si dark chocolate milk tea and si cookies and cream milk tea. Drinks na mahilig sa cheesecake or rock salt essence, suggest si Taro rock salt and cheese, si Red Velvet Cheesecake, and also si Matcha Cheesecake. When it comes sa Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station, consistent sila for its sugar level, naging precise sila when it comes sa ingredients and for each of their flavors in different categories. First, very soft, very easy to eat. And when it comes sa tea essence or for their flavored milk tea products, distinguish mo talaga yung bawat ingredients na ginagamit, all of their products. For anything else, I would like to thank the baristas and owners preparing and sa pag-deliver ng drinks ko for my Taste Test vlog. Hope na hindi po to yung last na Taste Test vlog na i-feature ko yung products nyo, but maybe soon I would feature your new products at the same time yung other foods nyo na to be launched very soon. So Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station has good quality of products, excellent service, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and a certified drinking nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much Bumbletea Food and Beverage Station. Congratulations! Keep safe mga nose! Bye!